Let me play this fucking level.
It took a
down.
month
Let me
for a
play
layout with basic
this
effects.
level.
Alright.
Black Egg, this is actually really good.
Yeah, I don't know
like
what to
it.
play, man. I don't feel like abducted
look at
to
this.
first place. I'm not saying it's a bad level. I'm just saying like first place quality, nuh-uh. Like I honestly, I would have rather given it to out of place. I
What
really
do you-
like theming.
Oh, out of place is really
Think
good,
about
bro.
it,
Why?
but-
I don't know why that shit's 7th place, bro. Oh my god.
Exactly. Out of place got. I mean, maybe because of the statues, but
The statues have schlongs, bro.
I
Yeah,
dropped
but-
to 100 on Misfire.
Like,
stop playing
I
Misfire.
don't get people who think that it should have been better. It should have been better. I don't get people
Honestly,
anymore in this.